Rick called Patrick to hold a reason
Yes,
about
Patrick,
Jamaica.
I call you for one reason with you still, and show you what I go on down in a Jamaica, yeah. Boy, me I tell you, say the young youth, them never hold no good meds at all, me I tell you, You understand? Them are defending fast life. You understand, Patrick? Yeah, man, are the fast life them a deal with. You understand? Them not govern properly, boy. Sometimes you have to wonder who them grew up with in a star. I know, like when time Mama Greasy did I grow with. You understand? And we are grow good and all them thing, them man. We have to go to church and go a river and tie out all with goat and all them thing there, And them not grow so, man. Boy, me I tell you, all them a pray at the rich life and the fast life. Yeah, man. And if you get a car, and as them get a car, me I tell you, say, Patrick, eh? More time them hang out all them head outside for a reason and them all smoke up and drink up and 2 2s a year say them crash and them 3 pints gone and all them thing them me I tell you brother boy me I tell you say it no easy down here brother me I tell you man. Well Patrick me kinda have a little thing for my mind still when me want to show the eyes still a long time the eye up there still wouldn't mind the eye could have see if you find one catty for me, and married me, that me can see if me forward up the two. You understand? Because boy, me I tell you say the taxi business have me a way down here. You understand? Mm-hmm. It is a dog thing down here with the taxi business. Then you have the police them and all these things. Me I tell you understand transport authority and record and all these things. You have to traverse with through the street and things like that. Plus you have other elements. You understand? Yeah, man, you have some other elements, as Mr. Adams would have tell you. You understand? Yeah, man, pestilence that walk it by day, man. Me I tell you, brother. Easy if you traverse the street with them, man. Yeah, man. Brother, let me tell you something. As it says 6 o'clock, me come off of the road. I don't care who want reach home. As it says 6, me park up my car. Because me can't manage the element them in the night. Yeah, I where do them take away a man, Yeah, man, 2 man sit down in a car back. You understand? And go with the taxi man. I'll know the man can't find star me. I tell you, the street out there. Oh, the street out there, wicked man. So just do that thing there for me, you hear? Yeah, man. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You understand? That will make me. You understand? Yeah, make a difference. You understand? And you can hear more of Patrick's story.